Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account on Shopee. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Shopee and open the website. Okay, so here you need to select for your country. So for an example, I'm going to select Singapore. Okay, so now it is opening the website. And here you need to click on sign up to create an account. Okay, so here you can see that your phone number, or you can use Facebook or Google. So I'm going to use Facebook for an example. So continue. You can use Google as well, or you can use your number. So I'm going to use my Facebook to create an account in Shopee. Okay, so as you can see that my account is created and now I can purchase anything from Shopee. So this is a simple process by which you can create account on Shopee. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.